The 2020 United States presidential election was one of the most controversial in modern history now. A special counsel report reveals shocking findings. Former President Donald Trump allegedly engaged in a criminal effort to overturn the results. What does this mean for democracy, the rule of law, and America's future? Let's dive in. The 2020 election saw record voter turnout, with Joe Biden defeating Donald Trump by both the popular vote and the Electoral College. However, Trump and his allies claimed widespread election fraud despite numerous investigations and court rulings finding no substantial evidence. The Special Counsel was appointed to investigate efforts to overturn the election. Focusing on Trump's role and actions, this investigation wasn't just about politics. It was about the integrity of the electoral process and protecting democracy. The report alleges Trump engaged in a coordinated effort to overturn the election, including pressuring state officials to alter results, encouraging false claims of voter fraud, attempting to submit fake electors to Congress, influencing officials to block the certification of the Electoral College vote. The report also highlights Trump's involvement in inciting the January 6 Capitol riot, which aimed to disrupt the peaceful transfer of power. This isn't just a political scandal, it's a legal and constitutional crisis. The report indicates violations of multiple laws, including obstruction of an official proceeding, conspiracy to defraud the United States, interference with election processes. If Trump is found guilty of these charges, he could face severe penalties, including significant fines, disqualification from holding public office, and even prison time. While the legal process unfolds, the nation watches, divided yet united in recognizing the gravity of the situation. This case raises critical questions about the resilience of democratic systems. It underscores the importance of safeguarding elections, holding leaders accountable, and ensuring the peaceful transfer of power for many. It serves as a reminder of the fragility of democracy and the need for vigilance. Despite these challenges, democracy has endured. The American people, through their voices and votes, continue to shape the nation's future. The legal proceedings are ongoing and the ultimate outcome remains uncertain. Regardless of the verdict, this case will leave a lasting impact on the U.S. political landscape and the global perception of American democracy. In the face of adversity, democracy is tested, but it is through these tests that it emerges stronger. Let this moment be a call to action for integrity, justice, and the enduring spirit of the American people.